Shit! It burns like a mother when I piss. Should have used a rubber.
What the? It came from over there.
God. Well, ain't you Mr. fucking Sunshine and Blowdrops today?
It's getting more dangerous out there. I don't know how much longer my luck will last.
Shit. Holy shit! Holy shit! More bodies? Fuck me!